What's good, YouTube? We're back again with another tutorial. This time we're doing a breakdown of a Sk8star type beat. As always, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, show some love to the channel. That way the algorithm begins to work towards my favor and the YouTube guys start blessing me and pushing these videos out to the right people. And as always, if for you guys that stick around, I'll do the full beat breakdown where I show all the, the melodies, VSTs and everything of that nature. And for you guys that kind of go, leave in the middle of the video, just see the first half, we're going to go ahead and hop into everything to go ahead and get started. So like I said, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe in the leave a comment in the comment section. Leave some love to the channel. But let's go ahead and hop into FL Studio. All right, so we are in FL Studio. This is the first melody that I got. And with these Sk8star beats, he airs on the ambient and the melodic side, hard hitting drums and 808s. So I just kind of made my basic style of how I typically do stuff, but just something that somebody can float on that beat, rap pretty good, make kind of sing on a little bit, because he's a pretty melodic artist. So this is the first melody that we got. All right, so that's the first melody that we got. Let's go ahead and jump down to the second one. This is the second melody. All right, and then let's go ahead and hop to the third. Here's the third one. This is one is an ARP. Okay, our fourth melody. And then our fifth and final melody. Okay, and then we're just going to play all five of the melodies together so that way you can hear the loop and hear what everything sounds like. Oh, that's the wrong one. So let's go ahead and take a listen. I noticed with Sk8star's beat selection, he picks kind of ambient and melodic type of sounds, but are beats. So I'm sorry, ambient or melodic beats, but he also picks beats that kind of have some emotion to it, something to where he can like use his voice as an instrument on this beat and kind of really play with the beat just because of his beat selection. I've noticed that when he does pick beats out, they're usually typically like hard hitting 808, some pretty simple drums, and they're pretty aggressive, or it'll be something kind of melodic to where he has room in the beat to kind of sing a little bit, rap some bars, and just show his creativity and be able to stretch his legs. So that's what I want to leave for this type of beat. I want to leave that space for an artist to be able to go in there and kind of show their creative skills. So we've already gone through the whole loop. Let's go ahead and go through the drums. So let's knock out the drums real quick. So these are all the drums all together. And then as you can see, I got two 808s, so we'll play both of those. So here's the first, that drum pattern with the first 808. And then we've got the second 808. Just kind of a little bounce, a little vibe to it. Again, I'm trying to leave space so that he has room to rap on, and his voice and the artist rapping will be the shining point of it, but I also want that melody to match everything. So let's play everything all together so you can hear it all at one time, and then we'll hop into the playing the beat. So here's everything all at one time playing. Nice, pretty melodic, definitely something you can hop on and make a song too. So I'll let you guys hear the second 808 as well. All right, and the pro tip that I want to kind of teach you guys and tell you is that less is more. And what I mean by that is you don't have to add a bunch of crazy VS or melodies, a bunch of instruments, a bunch of like stuff. Just making stuff simple, easy, and palatable is going to make your beat stick out and stand out more because it doesn't sound too chaotic and too crazy. Like if any, it allows an artist, any artist, to be able to make a beat or make a song on your beat if you keep things relatively simple. Because the more aggressive and the more advanced you make the beat, the more advanced the rapper has to be to know how to do what to do with it. So look at it in an example of like, I don't know if you're a car guy or you like bikes and motorcycles and things of that nature, right? You're not going to get an inexperienced car person that can drive, like an experienced driver. You're not going to put them in like something like a 6, 7, 800 horsepower rear wheel drive, vehicle that's turboed with a whole bunch of other bells and whistles on it, because they don't even know the basics of how to drive a car. You need to start them off with something that's like just a regular everyday car, something that's got a gas pedal, a brake pedal, no clutch, no extra gears, no extra buttons to hit or anything like that. You need to give them something simple so that they can work with it. Now, but what you want to do is kind of find that middle ground. So you don't want to give the new driver the Hellcat, essentially, right? But you don't want to give but you also don't want to give them like a beater. If you're using the car example, you want something in the middle of the road that can satisfy that advanced driver that wants the Hellcat, but also satisfy the new driver that is learning how to drive. You want something in between. You want something to where when I take this car or this product from you, I can add my value to it and increase it, and either stay where we're at or advance it into the Hellcat type of scene. So like if you want to continue on with the car example, it'd be like if I gave you a tuner car, a BMW of some sort, right? It's just a good regular basic car. If you're just driving around for everyday use, it's perfect for that. If you want to go ahead and do some modifications for it and really like go crazy on it and get some power out of it, you can do that as well. And that's how you want your beats. You want your beats to be like, shoot, like Joe Schmo that doesn't know how to rap at all can hop on my beat and at least make a song and start learning how to rap. And then you could have somebody as advanced as I don't know, Amigos, a Future, or Drake, or whoever your artist is based off of your style that you make, could also hop onto it and make something crazy as well. That's how you want your beats to be. You want it to be kind of like almost like a fitted cap. It's a one size fits all. It works for just about anybody, right? So let's go ahead and hop into the song mode and then let you guys take a listen to the beat. I appreciate you guys that stick around for the entirety of the tutorial. We're going to go to that next, but first we're going to go ahead and hop into the beat and let you guys hear this beat. So you guys that are, interested in only hearing the first half of the tutorial, I appreciate you guys. We're going to go ahead and let you guys hear this. And then as you guys head on out, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Show some love to the channel. And then my guys that like to stick around and really get the sauce, we're on to that next. So let's go ahead and pop into the arrangement screen, and I'm going to let you guys listen to this beat. And that's it, guys, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. For you guys that head on out, I appreciate you guys for the love and support that you guys do. And for you guys that like to stick around for the whole entirety of it, man, let's go ahead and break this beat on down, man. So follow, like, comment, share, subscribe for you guys that don't stick for the full tutorial. And let's go ahead and hop into it for the guys that like to stick around and get all the sauce, man. So here, like always, I'm just going to go ahead and let the beat actually play. and then I'm just going to keep opening up the different sounds to let you guys take a look. And just drop it in the comment section what you guys want to see more of, or if you got questions or anything like that. So let's go ahead and start taking a listen. And that's it, guys. That's the full breakdown. That's all the VSTs, all the melodies and everything, the sounds that I use. I use my drum kit. I use my template, you know, so it makes making beats a whole lot faster, quicker, easier. And it just makes things more organized, man. I might start showing you guys my system on how I do all this stuff, so that way you guys can do it for yourself. But I think I'll probably end up doing that on a separate channel, so be on the lookout for that in the future. But for you guys that stick around for the whole entirety of the tutorial, man, I really, really, really appreciate you guys. You guys are the ones that keep this doable, you know, because you guys are the ones that are help pushing me into the algorithm, help getting me views, and keeping the content alive. And, you know, it's motivating to see, you know, watch the numbers increase, watch my follower count increase, or subscriber count increase, and getting people to DM me, asking me like, hey, can you make a video on this? Can you show me how to do that? Can you help me with this? And it's motivating. It makes me definitely want to work harder and move forward for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this breakdown. Hope you learned something. If you did, let me know what you learned in the comment section. For you guys that stick around for the whole entire video, let's do hashtag skate Sk8 for the you know, the hashtag that we normally do for you guys that stay for the whole time. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow, like, comment, share, subscribe. Show some love to the channel. That way the algorithm begins to work in my favor, and the YouTube guys start blessing me and putting these videos out to the right eyes and the right people that need to see it. So that's all I got for you guys, man. We will be back next week with another tutorial, some type of cook up, engineering, or whatever the case is, music business, whatever it is. And yeah, we'll be back next week. Peace.